Microsoft Excel Introduction. Welcome to this course, which gives you a great introduction to Microsoft Excel. The first module starts right at the beginning and explains how Excel works as a spreadsheet with cells and how to get help. The second module explains how there are several large tabs, each of which displays a ribbon that deals with distinct areas, and looks at each tab so you know what each one is for. After that, you look at how you add, edit, and move data around in the spreadsheet. That way, you can start to input your data into your new spreadsheet. Having learned how to input data, you'll then look at how to format your spreadsheet and improve its appearance. After all, if you're going to share your data with others, you want it to look as professional as possible. Printing can be tricky in Excel, so you'll see how to print an entire sheet or simply specific portions of a sheet. That way, you're not going to be wasting time and paper printing what you don't need. And finally, the last module shows you the basics of creating charts, which many people call graphs. Then you'll be able to create clear displays of your data, both privately and to others. So let's start the module and get you up and running.